Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, we will look at how we can enter CryptoPy and Forex Scanner .NET analysis groups. To do this, first click the profile. After that, if you have not updated your profile informations before, please enter your TradingView and Telegram usernames and update your profile. After that, enter your Telegram username and create the invite link. It will give you an invite link. Using this invite link, you can join the groups like this. For the Forex website, login, click profile, enter your TradingView and Telegram usernames, update profile, enter your Telegram username and create invite link. It will give you an invite link. Click this invite link. You can enter the Forex Scanner analysis group using this invite link.